let us start with prelims facts. Recently you must have seen that in Nagorno-Karabakh region, a war is again taking place in this region. So we want to understand a bit of this region, because even in this year's preliminary examination, there was a question on. So what I was saying was, Nagorno-Karabakh region, even in this year's preliminary examination, there was a question on this. Match the following mein tha ki this region is located where. But before we go to Nagorno-Karabakh region, let us briefly cover what is Caucasus region. When you hear the word, this person is of Caucasian origin and all. So Caucasus region, what is that region? If you'll go to Caspian Sea and Black Sea, uske beach ka jo region hai, yahan pe we have Caucasian mountains, and this region is called Caucasus region. Here you'll have 4 countries. Southern part of Russia is there, and then these 3 countries: Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. So Caspian Sea, Black Sea ke beech mein Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, and then southern part of Russia. This forms what is called Caucasus region. Okay, now here abhi jo conflict chal raha hai wo Azerbaijan and Armenia ke beech mein, will come to that conflict, but there are few more interesting things that you should know about this region. The highest mountain peak of Europe is located here in southern Russia, in the Caucasus mountain, which is called the Mount Elbrus. The highest peak of Europe is also located in this region. Fine. ये वाला बात थोड़ा सा याद रखेंगे before we go to Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict. किस region को बोलते हैं? Which are the countries located here? And about the mountain, we should have clarity. Now, let's come to Nagorno-Karabakh region. देखो, is this clearly visible to all of you? This map clearly visible? So you would see that in Caucasus region, we have this as Armenia and this country as Azerbaijan. Right? Niche Iran, either we have Georgia and Russia, Caucasus region ka part. Now, once upon a time, not one, bahut purani baat nahi hai, at the time of USSR, these were part of USSR only. But as USSR started disintegrating in 1980s, these separate countries also started getting formed. At that time, till that time, Nagorno-Karabakh was part of Azerbaijan only. In fact, even today, it is internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan only. But जब वो disintegration चल रहा था, उस time Armenia's parliament declared that this region, Nagorno-Karabakh region, should be given to them. Because culturally and as well as ethnically, there are some differences. Like Azerbaijan is primarily a Muslim-dominated country, whereas Nagorno-Karabakh region में people of Armenian origin and mostly Christian are there. So they said that this region should go to them. उनके बोलने से हो तो जाएगा नहीं, कोई दूसरी कंट्री अपनी कंट्री के बीच में एक टेरिटरी दूसरी कंट्री को देगा नहीं. तो war happened. Thousands of people were killed. Eventually, in 1994, with the help of Russia, a peace was brokered. But by that time, the Armenian separatists had taken control of Nagorno-Karabakh. So by 1994, till the time a peace was brokered, here Armenian separatists had got the control. तो इसी वजह से ना बार-बार on some or the other reason लड़ाई होती रहती है दोनों. Armenia and Azerbaijan keep fighting. In fact, abhi recently also, not in 2000, I'm not talking about 2023 incident, we'll come to 2023 incident, but in 2020 you would see that Russia brokered a new peace deal between Armenia and Azerbaijan as they fought for almost 6 weeks over the disputed region in southern Caucasus. The armistice also placed the Russian peacekeeper contingent in Nagorno-Karabakh region. फिर से अभी क्या हुआ? Azerbaijan in 2023, why is it not moving? In 2023, Azerbaijan forces again opened fire on Armenian position in Nagorno-Karabakh region. They said that it was an anti-terrorist operation. Azerbaijan said that it was an anti-terrorist operation. After some fighting, in a day or two, they stopped the fight also. You would see that on 20th September, later, 1 or 2 days later, Azerbaijan has halted the military operation, as it says that it has been able to force Armenian separatist forces to agree to a ceasefire, and Azerbaijan claims that it has militarily routed the Armenian separatists. They are meant to disband and disarm Armenian separatists, and the talks on the future of the region would also start very soon. So for these reasons, it was in news. But exam mein most probably what would be asked? Nagorno-Karabakh region and its location, primarily that. But even if they ask only that portion, thoda sa clarity hame hona chahiye. If we'll only cram this ki Nagorno-Karabakh, Azerbaijan, it would be very difficult. But if you know some history behind it, if you know the story why this particular region was in news, it would simplify our understanding. It would make it easy for us to remember this. And sometimes when you have to talk about the international peace situation here, you can give examples of various regions in the world where these kind of tensions are going on. Nagorno-Karabakh. Is that clear?